Okay, here we have a CV axle. It's gonna go in a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. Package just arrived by Purolator. So it's a TRAKMOTIve CV axle. I noticed immediately that the box is a little bit nipped here around like this, and also on this side, but hopefully that's nothing critical. So I'm just gonna cut the tape open. And here we are. It looks like I expect. All wrapped up. The cautionary note and board housing installation chips. Come around. Cut this bag open. Okay, here we are. New CV axle out of the box. Alright, here we are. I got the old one out and put it side by side with a new one. And looks like a pretty good match. In a moment, I'm gonna go try to install it. I just want to point out that when I opened the box initially, I failed to notice there's what's called an installation manual, which turns out to be not that useful because it's not specific to this vehicle. And then there's a new axle bolt. The new axle bolt is a hex, by the way, whereas the old one is 24.24 millimeter, sorry, 12.24 millimeter. And all those things they say about the this bolt being hard to break loose, I had the same experience. And look, there's the red thread locker there as well, which probably makes it even harder to break loose. The other thing they say is hard is getting this end freed up, and I wound up using one of these, and I read some reviews saying that this is too thick, and that was also my experience, but all I had to do is grind down the tips a little bit to get it started. And once I got that started, I just hammered it in, and then I got a lot of movement. I tried to get this out with the slide hammer, but actually there wasn't room to slide the weight. But while I was manipulating the shaft, basically I used that as a lever, and the whole thing popped right out. So that was a happy moment. Okay, now I'm gonna go install the new one.